Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this simple clay flower bookmark. For this you will need some clay. Here I am using homemade air dry clay. You can check my other video on how to prepare this clay and color it. Some popsicle sticks or ice cream sticks and some acrylic paints and paint pens to decorate the stick. So let's begin. To make the flower, take a very small size of colored clay. Make a teardrop shape. First, cut the top part into two halves using a pen knife or a blade and separate them. Then, using scissors, cut each half into two halves. Pinch with your fingers and shape the petals. Now, using the clay tool, shape the petal like this. Cut the excess clay. Take some yellow clay, make a small ball with the yellow clay and place it at the center of the flower. Allow it to dry completely. Next, paint a popsicle stick or an ice cream stick with acrylic paint and allow it to dry. Now, start fixing the flowers on the stick using glue. Here I am using Fevicol. You can also make some leaves. Take some green clay and shape it like this. Next, we need to decorate the bookmark. I'm using Posca paint pens to decorate it. Our bookmark is ready to be used. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.